Natural home remedies for canker sores. Aphthous stomatitis is the medical term of the usual canker sores problem troubling people, which are nothing like the common ulcers which occur in mouth. Unlike the ulcers, sores are followed by infections in mouth, making it painful to either talk or even eat food at times. These ulcers are also known to not be very responsive for the spices or herbs used in food preparation. Sores 1. Alum. This is one of the key elements in preparation of astringents and can also be commonly found in all the general stores in the form of solid chunks which can be ground into powder form. Alum in its powder form can be mixed with water in order to prepare a thick paste for direct application on canker sores and left so for about 15 minutes, after which plain water can be used to wash the mouth. To get rid of these sores, it is suggested to use this mixture of alum powder for every 3 hours and prevent any further spreading of this infection in mouth. This also can be regularly used if sores are very frequent problem faced. 2. Baking soda. One other method of treating canker sores due to the richer presence of acidic content in them, helping in preventing the spread of bacteria, for which a paste has to be made with baking soda and water and applied directly on the sores to be left for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes from when the paste has been applied, the mouth has to be washed with plain water. Care has to be taken so that this treatment will be done before eating meal, since this will make it easy for the food to be swallowed without any pain. Additionally, mouthwash prepared with baking soda can be used for washing the mouth after meal to see that the teeth are clear from any harm-causing bacteria. 2 teaspoons of baking soda mixed with 200 milliliters of warm drinking water is sufficient to prepare mouthwash to be used after meal. 3. Neem. Also referred to as Indian lilac, neem is used as treatment for several problems, among which it even includes mouth infection. There was also time in the past when neem stems were used to clean the teeth instead of brush. Liquid taken from boiled neem leaves in water for about 30 minutes can be used as mouthwash before and after eating food. Though it might be bitter, it is also suggested to chew on fresh neem leaves to treat, apart from which it can be used to keep the mouth fresh and clean all the time, lessening infection spreading chances. 4. Basil. Medicinal properties in these basil leaves make it good treatment for canker sores, for which the leaves can be chewed on, which till treat at the same time lessens the pain result of infection. Mouthwash with basil leaves can be prepared at home to keep germs at distance from mouth and remove any possibility of spreading infections in them. 5. Onion. This is quite like garlic when it comes to treating canker sores, which is due to the enzymes present in them helping in effective treatment of bacteria. Those results in infection. Sores can also be treated by eating 1 raw onion on daily basis, other than which onion juice and also be directly used to heal the sores at faster rate, for which the onion can be grated to squeeze juice. This onion juice can be applied using index finger inside the mouth and has to be repeated for about 4 times every day until these sores are treated successfully. 6. Drinking soda. Presence of bicarbonate in this soda is known to kill the microorganisms which results in infection, make it best choice of mouthwash to cleanse the mouth. It is not only the sores which can be treated with drinking soda, they also are known to help in removal of food particles, which are provider of energy supply for bacteria. 7. Tea bags. Used tea bags can be washed and chilled to be used in treating the canker sores due to the presence of tannin in tea, which is known to help in lessening of pain and inflammation caused by these sores. There is no limit to the number of times these tea bags can be used in order to treat the canker sores. 8. Hydrogen peroxide. It is a chemical which is said to be acidic in nature, has huge bleaching properties. However, it is also suggested to not use this chemical directly, instead should be diluted with the use of water. After diluting this chemical, it can be used 3-4 times every day to clean the mouth, which helps in treating the canker sores. 9. Plum juice. Freshly squeezed plum juice also can be used to treat sores which are possible with the enzymes present in plum fighting against the bacteria to remove them at the earliest. Plum juice can either be drunk 3 times every day or they can also be applied 3-4 times on the sores daily. 10. Yogurt. Cold yogurt is definitely said to give huge relief for those pains by sores. 2 cups of this yogurt can be used to lessen the pain and inflammation caused by these sores. Living bacteria in this yogurt also is known to treat the infection. It is not only necessary that the given treatments are the only means to help in preventing the sores, additionally it also is suggested to go with proper diet by including lots of proteins and vitamins on daily basis to improve the body's immunity system. Stronger immunity system will help in fighting any diseases which are results of improper reaction of certain enzymes and chemicals in the foods. Hence it is necessary to identify the foods which will result in formation of these sores in the mouth.